Hey guys, so today we'll be learning groove. Praise groove. Okay. So when it comes to praise groove, it's not about you playing a lot of licks, a lot of fills just to excite yourself. You need to play something what I call steady bass line. Okay. And today's lesson we'll be looking to that. Okay. So I have three sections of bass line. So there's this Ghanaian song which I'll be using to do this lesson. Okay. But if you're not a Ghanaian, just understand the progression, the concept, the groove I'll be playing in that progression, and you can use that bass line in your own local praise. Okay. But before we start this lesson, if you're new here, you're welcome. But I want you to join the family by subscribing, like the video. You can also share this video to your friends. Okay. I also do private class lessons. If you want to be playing praise baseline and you want to be applying licks and fills just to spice it up, or you want a baseline for a certain praise, you can just DM me on WhatsApp, then we can go through that. Okay. So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. I don't want you to get confused. Just understand the progression and you're good to go. Okay. So let's look at the first section of the lesson. Then we can continue with the rest. Okay. That was the first one. Okay, so the progression goes. So starting from your 1, 2, hallelujah, 3, hallelujah, 6, 2. You understand? So just follow the pattern of the bass line and you'll be playing it to all the progression. Okay, but this one is not going to be very easy. You need to be very fast when you pluck. You understand? Okay, so this is on your 2. So you start. You understand? So it is 5 2 2 2 5 2 2 2. That is 3 2 1 2. Okay. So 5 2 2 2 1 2. Then you play your 6 6 2 2. Okay. You understand? Da, 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 da. Okay. Then now to your 3. So you play your 6 6 3 3 3 2 3. Then you have 7 3 3. You understand? So then now to your 6. So you play the 2 like 2 times. That's your 1, your 2. Now to your 3. Just once. Then you go to your 6. So you play 3 6 is 5 6. Then you play 3 6 6. Okay. You understand? Okay. 3 6 6 5 6 3 6 6. Then to your 2, the same bass line. Okay. Okay, so you're 5 2 2 1 2 6 2 2. You understand? Then back to your 1. Okay. So 4 1 1 7 1 5 1 1. I hope you're getting it. So come again to your 3, your 6, your 2, then you go to your 1. I hope you're getting the first section of the bass line. So when you're on a praise song and you're on your 2, you can even do it to your 5. You understand? That is 2 5 5 4 5 2 5 5.
You understand? So just learn the bass line in each of the progression. You're sick. So one thing with this is when you are playing each of this bass line in the progression, you can either start, let's say we are playing on 2. You see I'm starting from my 5. You can also start from your 6. So you can play 5 2 2 1 2 5 6 2 2, or you can start from 6 2 2 1 2 6 2 2. You understand? I think both of them will sound the same. You understand? Just that the first note is going to change. You understand? So you can start from 5 5 2 2 1 2 6 2 2, or 6 2 2 1 2 6 2 2. You understand? Just know the one that will fit the song very well. Okay, even to your 3. So you see I started from my 6. You can also start from your 7. You understand? So do that to every pattern. Even on my 4, you can start from your 5. You understand? Okay, so learn that very well. When you're on a progression, you want to play that bass line in that progression, know where to start from and see whether it's going to sound well in that song. You understand? 2 6 6 5 6. It's not sounding that cool, so you can do 3 6 6 5 6 3 6 6. You understand? Okay, so understand the pattern. If you're on your 2, you can start from your 5 or your 6. You understand? Then you keep on with the groove. Okay, so now let's move on to the second section with the praise bass line. It might be simple to some of you guys, but you can see the bass line is very steady, and I did apply some lick. You understand? But we are focusing on the bass line. So da 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 da. Okay, so I'm somehow plucking the notes, but I'm not also somehow plucking the notes. You understand? I'm doing like I'm playing. You understand? I'll sometimes play the note as a ghost note. Sometimes I'll press the note. So da 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 da, or da 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 da. But it won't come very well, okay? But you can just press the notes. You understand? Da 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 da, 1 da da, 2 2 2, 4 5 1. So this is the progression of the song. You understand? So 1 2 4 5 1. Okay. Yes, why yeah. So on my 1, I played 1 3 5 6. Yes, why yeah. You understand? Then to my 2, I played. You understand? You see how groovy and nice it sounds. You understand? So your 2, you're gonna be playing 2 4 6 1. 2 4 6 1. So your 4 is gonna play a normal triad. That is 4 6 1. Your 5 is gonna play this nice field. So that is 6. You pluck on 6, hammer on 7. Then you pluck on 5 and you root 5. You understand? See how steady it is. So you understand? So I did something like this. You understand? You see? So there you need to be very, very time your shot. Let's say let your timing be accurate. Let it just make it steady. So when you end, just let me just make it simple for you. So just do it that way. So fa la do, that is 4 6 1 6 7 5 5. Then you play 1 3 5 6 5 6 5. Then you start again. I hope you understand it. So
understand? Just simple like that. Okay. So now let's look at the main boards.
That is the third section of the praise baseline in C. But the truth is, this is not easy. It took me like some hours to practice because of the fast plucking. You understand? So it is very simple. Let me just break it down when it comes to the do do. But when it comes to, you understand? And if your fingers are too high, mine are too high, I didn't have time to cut it off. Just cut it off. If not, you'll be hearing another sound. You understand? You understand? So if you have been hearing bad, like if I play notes and you're hearing different sound, I didn't cut off my finger, but try to do it, okay? So it's the same as the first progression. Money, yo, down, down. Your 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. You understand? So just follow along with the progression and be doing do do. That's a simple 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. You understand? 3, 3. So let's come to the main line. So da da. You understand? Pam pam pam. So you'll be plucking the octave. That is your 5. The octave 3 times, and you shouldn't make it sound. No. It should sound something like the laccato. It should be sustained. You understand? That makes it more nice to hear. You understand? So pam pam. If you play it, no, it won't sound like the way I want. You understand? So just let it sound better. Pam pam. Just let your hand. You understand? Don't move your hand. Okay. Okay. So pam pam. So there is a passing note you can also apply. So da 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 da. You can also learn that. So you understand? So if you have practiced the normal one and you see you're okay, then you can bring it, because don't get confused. Okay. So 5 6 2 3 3. Okay, so 5 5 5 5, then you play 5 6 6 6, 5 5 5 5 5 2 2, 5 6 2 2. So 5 5 5 5 2 5 1. You understand? Okay, so learn this 3 section of bass line I've given to you. It is groove. You can just be playing this. If the singer will playing this throughout, you can just play it just one way. You are making sense. You're playing groove steady. Don't add any lick. If you want to add, if you know any lick and you want to add, that is cool. But sometimes you just need to play the groove. You understand? Okay. So this is what I have for you today. I'll be seeing you on Tuesday, this same time, 8 a.m. or 1 p.m. Ghana time. Okay. See you guys.